Imagine getting paid just for clicking and watching ads. No app to download, no website to sign up on, just a simple Telegram bot that actually sends you money. I've been testing it, I've already made some earnings, and even people I invited have started earning too. But before you jump in, there are a few important things you also need to know, including how much this really pays per hour and why you need to be careful in some cases. My name is Michael, and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I came across this Telegram bot and decided to test it. And I must say that compared to many other places where you can earn by clicking and watching ads, it actually pays quite fast. And as soon as I came across it and tested a little bit, I actually shared it in my Telegram channel. So if you want to join that and also get some exclusive and early tips there, I will also leave a link to that below so you can do that. That's completely free, and I'm posting daily there. So you're welcome to join that also. And people there have actually also started earning. But this does not mean that it's necessarily a great opportunity for all, but it can be a way to earn a bit extra. I will explain everything in this video so you can find out if it's for you or not. So first, if you decide to join this, you need to make sure you go to the right bot, because there's a lot of fake Telegram bots and you have to be careful when it comes to links. So I will also leave mine below, so if you decide that you want to do it, you can join through that. So you're sure you go to the right bot, and then you will come to a place like this, and you can then click to start it, and it will open up Telegrams. You would need to join Telegram to be able to use it. And once you join, then you will see this bot here where you have different options, and by clicking ads you would just need to click here to visit sites, and then you can see there is one here where you just need to click to open a link, and you need to open it, and then it will open up there. And then you see, in this case here, sometimes there's a counter that actually counts, so there's certain seconds, but you see in this case here, that was not even the case. I actually earned just by opening that ad, and you can see the earnings. If we go back into the bot there, you see I actually earned, and you earn Bitcoin there. So that was how fast and easy it is. I have had it sometimes where you need to stay on a page for 30 seconds or so, but in many cases that's actually not the case. So then you could just click the next one. You see in this case here, then there are no tasks right now. So they're not unlimited tasks like this for clicking ads, unfortunately, but usually there are more, but I'm just used to many of them. But then you can go back, you can see there are other ways to earn. You can see you can join channels, so you can get paid to join other Telegram channels or other bots. Again, one thing you need to be aware of here, this is a big warning, so just listen carefully now. Very important that the ads they run here, they write that themselves, it's not verified, so they do not guarantee that the ads, channels, or bots, whatever you send to, are legit. So in general, when you see an ad for something in here, be very critical. Do not connect a wallet to anything, or do not believe some kind of get rich quick scheme or claim they have or anything like that, because the ads are not verified. So remember that, very, very important. So let's now move on. Then now when you're aware that you need to really think about this, then you can see there are different things you can do like that. You can also click more, and it just shows you here, for example, you can view some posts. So then it says here, you would need to click here, forwarded there, this one here you need to click, and then it needs to open. And once it opens, you can come back here, and then you say, you can click there to watch, and then you see, oh, I just earned by doing that. And then you can see again, view there, it says here, you just sometimes need to scroll up there to verify once you've done it. But other than that, I would need to open this one here, and in this case it's not even there, it's not working, but I did watch it, so I can click there. I actually still earned, so you can see it lets you earn quite quickly. You can also do that by these tweet there to earn and some different other things there, but again, just be critical what you participate in. But compared to many other ways where you can earn by clicking ads and things like this, it does pay quite quickly, as you can see. But let's now talk about how you can then get paid, and then we'll also go into the overall earning potential. So you can go to the menu there, and then you can find the withdrawal section, and there you can see that you do need to earn this much Bitcoin before you can then withdraw to a Bitcoin wallet. And this is actually only around $2, so a very low payout threshold. But you do need to be aware that the earnings you can see here, it's very fast, but the earnings for some of these promotions there or ads I click, it's less than a cent. So I would need in general to, depending on which ones I use here, but somewhere between 100 and maybe 600-700 ads or so to earn $1. So just be aware that it does take some patience to earn. It's not a super fast, quick, magic way to become rich or anything, but as you can see, because often you don't even have to really spend more than a couple of seconds. In many other PTC sites that I have tested, you might have to wait for a minute, and then you would have to click 1,000 ads to earn $1. So that would be, take hours and hours or weeks to even get to that. The limitation here is, of course, that some of the ads, they're a limited number of ads, and you can then, of course, use some of the other options. There might be some of the options you do not want to use, so that's just something to keep in mind, but it is definitely easy to use. Some of them I will not be using myself, be careful about, but again, some of them you just click, takes a few seconds, and then you can earn. But do be aware that it still takes patience, even though for a PTC side, it is actually fairly fast to earn here compared to many others. So just to sum it up, this Telegram bot is actually easier and better than many other PTC sites, but it will not make you rich and it will take a lot of patience. But people always ask me for ways to earn by clicking ads and to let them know when I come across new options. So this is actually one of the better options so far, but it still does not mean that it's an effective way or magic way to become rich or anything like that. Clicking ads in general will not earn you a lot, and you need to be aware of that. But if you decide to test it, or if you already have, if you, for example, were a member of my Telegram channel and started testing it earlier, then please feel free to share below also what your experiences are once you have actually tested it. I would love to hear that. And then I will leave a link below so you can go and join it. I will find the right bot if you decide you want to test this. If you in general just want to know about ways to earn by clicking ads, I do have a list of the best PTC sites on my website. I will leave a link to that below. And as mentioned also, you're also welcome to join my Telegram channel, where you can also get some exclusive tips and tricks there to earn online. I'll leave links to all that below, so make sure to check that out. And if this video helped you, also make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.